2024 brought the quality editors around the country for a series of events. We were in Nashville for the quality show, Chicago for IMTS. We were in Ohio for an ASQ measurement division conference, and back in Illinois for the assembly show. So, Michelle, can you tell us a little bit about this year's assembly show? What would you say was the highlight of the show?
Yeah, so as always, I really love meeting new people and seeing familiar faces. In some cases, I've been emailing people for months, but finally meeting them in person. And in other cases, I've come across companies or people that I never would have met otherwise. The last event, I met a CEO from Denmark, for example, which was great to talk to. And then also even colleagues who are located in other states. So it's just so nice to see, old and new faces.
Indeed. So what can you tell us? Can you tell us what you learned from any of the learning theaters?
Yeah, so the learning theaters were great. It was really interesting to hear educational sessions from people in the industry. One I liked was Matt Jones from Micropsy Industries. He talked about various automation applications, including leak testing for refrigerators. So he said it was a thankless job. The operators didn't enjoy doing it, so they ended up automating it, and it really ended up saving time and helping out because the operators, for an 8-hour shift, they'd only find one leak or something. So it was easy to kind of get complacent and bored, but the automation really kind of helped them along.
That makes a lot of sense. What did you think of the keynote?
I really enjoyed it. So yeah, I was very inspired by the stories from Jarek Robinson. Robbins, sorry. He told one about his dad speaking to a room full of 95 fifth graders and offering to pay for all of them to go to college if they wanted. So it seems like such a crazy number, but 13 of them ended up going to college, and others later went to grad school and even law school. So it was just really inspiring and moving to talk about that kind of generosity. And so his whole theme was kind of learning and then helping others along the way. So
that's incredible. That's great.
Yeah. One other thing I wanted to mention, though, was the show floor. I think the robots, just always fun to talk about and look at, and the collaborative applications and high speed. There were so many different ones. And assembly, their market has a lot in common with quality. So leak testing was one of the areas. There was a lot of overlap. And many of those companies were frequent contributors to quality. So it was nice seeing them in person, and we talked about future topics they wanted to cover as well. So.